Welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. Okay, it's your girl Jeanina here, and I am back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some inexpensive things that make my life a whole lot easier and a little bit more luxurious, honey. Okay, if you guys watch any of my vlogs, either on my main channel or my vlog channel, you guys know that I am married, so I am a military wife. I am a 9-to-5 worker. I am a whole nurse out here in these streets, girl, okay? I have a teenage daughter. I have a small stepson. Yeah. So family life here can get a little bit hectic. My house can get a little bit hectic. And these inexpensive items make my life a little bit more easier, as well as make me feel a little bit more luxurious, girl. And by all means, if y'all watch my vlogs, you guys know that I do not have a luxurious house. I do not have like a luxurious life, and I don't live in the lap of luxury, honey. That's coming though, okay? We're manifesting. But these inexpensive things definitely helps, and it definitely makes me feel a little bit more luxurious, and it's definitely kind of like a self-care thing for me, and in general it just makes me happy. So I am going to show you guys some of the things that contributes to my luxurious happiness. Let's go. Number one on my list, a decadent cup of hot chocolate with milk. See, a lot of people make their hot chocolate differently. Mostly you would see them make it with water. That seems to be like the universal thing. You make hot chocolate with water. But girl, I like to make my hot chocolate with milk, and let me tell you why. I just feel like it's a little bit more, not only a little bit more nutritious because you're getting like, you know, milk with the calcium, but it's also just like a luxurious feeling. It just makes you feel warm. It makes your belly feel warm. It's like it's giving milk and cookies type of situation, you know? So I love a good decadent cup of hot chocolate. Also, the type of hot chocolate you use, girl, makes a huge difference. You can use the regular like Swiss Miss. I've also used that too, but now it's the holidays, so they have all kinds of good hot chocolates coming out, girl, from different brands that you can purchase from Kroger or Food Lion or Food for Less or wherever you're at, your local grocery store. They have all kinds of holiday flavors. This one is actually a new one I just purchased, and you guys probably would have seen this in my vlog if you watch my vlogs. It's from Private Selection, and it's salted caramel. And when I tell y'all this hot chocolate is so good, it is so good. It just warms me down to my soul. Also, number 2 on the list, girl, my handheld frother. Now, this can be used to froth milk. It also can be used for other things. I like to use it for mixing my hot chocolate up, mixing any like drinks. I make drinks here, like alcoholic beverages. I mean, it's basically good for anything, and it just makes it so easy, especially when you have stuff like these specialty hot chocolates and like specialty drinks that are a little bit more lumpier. It just makes it a whole lot easier instead of mixing it with a fork. Also, I like to use this handheld frother for my collagen. You guys know that I recently started taking collagen maybe about 5-6 months ago, and I'm telling you, like, when you're mixing it in cold stuff, it's a little bit more harder for it to dissolve. So when I do mix it with cold or even hot, I use the handheld frother, and I'm telling you guys, it makes a big difference. Much easier, and just makes life a whole lot easier. Next thing on my list, girl, are bath salts. I love a good bath salt, or something that I can just pour into my bath in order to just soak and feel so luxurious, you guys. Like, some of my favorite bath salts that I have been crushing on lately are from Lady Hearted Apothecary. Not sure if she has an actual website, you guys. I do purchase all of her things on Etsy, and I will leave her information down in the description box below. You guys, when I tell you these bath salts are amazing, they are so amazing. And they're like handcrafted and handmade, you guys, and they just have like the cutest little things in here. Like, this one has pink Himalayan salt and some grapefruit in it. Like, it is just so luxurious feeling to me to have something nice to soak with in my bath. And also, if you have different ailments or different skin issues or different like spiritual things, because this is also a ritual like bath like thing. So it has pink Himalayan salt, some grapefruit and some like herbs in it. This is how it looks up close. And this is actually for your aura. Pink Himalayan salt and pink crystals are actually good for your aura. It's good for like your third eye. It's good for you to sit and manifest and just open up your third eye and your aura to all of the good intentions that you are seeking. So I love any type of bath salts like this, you guys. And speaking of bath salts, you guys, another inexpensive luxury item that makes my life a little bit easier is my bath caddy. Now, I did do a whole vlog, like a nighttime relaxing vlog, and I showed you guys my bath caddy and things, so I will link that video up in the description box down below and also in the cards above if you guys didn't see that video, and that way you guys can see my bath caddy. I will also insert a picture either here or here of my bath caddy, and I'm telling you guys, the bath caddy is just the greatest thing to feel luxurious. It's inexpensive. I did purchase mine from Amazon and I love it so much. Like, you can put your book or your tablet or your computer on it, a nice glass of wine on it. It has all of these little compartments. You can put a candle on it. I mean, I just feel like a bath caddy just makes a girl feel so luxurious in the bath, helps you unwind, and it's just a really good invention in general, girl. Like, I don't know what I would do without my bath caddy. Next thing on my list, girl, candles, candles, candles. Yes, your girl is a big candle girl, okay? Some of my favorite places to purchase candles from are Bath and Body Works, Yankee Candle, Target, and if you are a military wife or if you can get on base, girl, the Next or the Coast Guard Exchange. They have the bombest candles ever, and I'm telling you, like, candles just make my house feel more luxurious because it smells good. You know, people use candles for all sorts of things, and so do I, but I utilize candles for making my house smell good. Also, if I'm like in a crappy mood or a bitchy mood, girl, or just anything, I like certain candles that have like mint, lemon in order to relax, calm down. I like lavender, kind of sweet candles in order for me to sleep. I normally pick out like decadent, pumpkin, holiday candles around the holiday. I mean, candles are just an essential for me, and I just feel like it makes my life easier and it makes my home smell and feel a little bit more luxurious. Next thing on my list, you guys, sugar scrubs. Now, my favorite inexpensive sugar scrubs thus far is Tree Hut. You guys know I love Tree Hut scrubs. You can get it from Target, you can get it from Walgreens, you can get it from CVS, anywhere where you can find them, girl. I just feel like scrubs are so luxurious because not only do they polish your body, get rid of all the dead skin cells, and make room for the new skin. Your new skin underneath is supple, it's soft, girl. It's ready for some nice hydration. Also, it just smells good and it just feels good. I feel like I just feel much better when I'm using this in the bath or in the shower, and I'm just getting all those dead skin cells off, and I'm having beautiful, nice, supple, soft skin after. Lastly, the two items on my list that made my inexpensive, most luxurious items that make my life a little bit more easier are sexy, soft pajamas, you guys. These are actually very affordable. I found mine at Kroger. I've also seen them at Walmart. I've also seen them at Target. I just love the fit. I love how they're comfortable. I love how it's loose. And it's just very warm because we're in the winter months. My last but not least thing, y'all, robes. Now, you guys know I have tons and tons of robes. This is my more newer, luxurious robe, honey, okay, that I purchased from Things Remembered. But I also have different robes from Target. Target is actually my favorite place where you can find robes. Also, Amazon. You guys, Amazon has the best waffle knit robes. For some reason, I feel like I'm obsessed with robes, you guys. Like, I change them out every year. Some of them I've had for a while because I like the print, but for some reason, robes for me are like a fashion accessory. When it gets cold, I love a big, furry, heavier robe. When it gets warm, I like a nice, silky, soft, feminine robe. I have waffle knit robes. If you guys watch my channel, you guys know you see me in all kind of robes. Robes are just my thing. I feel like I'm obsessed with robes. I change them out. I buy new ones. I get rid of them. Like, they're just the most essential, luxurious thing for me when I want to feel like I'm having a nice spa day, or when I'm doing my skincare, or when I'm just lounging around the house, girl, drinking some decadent hot chocolate. Robes are the thing for me. Anyway, you guys, that is my video. Those are my list of inexpensive things that make my life a little bit more easier, that are luxurious. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Please remember, you do not need tons of money to create a luxurious environment and just feel luxurious, girl. There are things out there that are inexpensive that will make you comfortable, make you feel good, and make your home comfortable and make your home feel good, okay? If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel, or when you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time the gang posts a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.